La 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 la. This one's for you. La 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 la.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I have an unboxing of the new Nike Air Force 1 3D effect. Here goes the unboxing right now. As I take off the paper, I see the blue and red 3D effect on these sneakers. These sneakers are fire. I first saw these sneakers on Instagram and I was like, those are fire. And they only come in youth sizes, so that's a benefit of being a woman, right? You get to wear youth sizes, plus it's less money. I got these with tax, came out to $88 and change. Not bad for Air Force Ones. Usually they're $90, but today got them at a decent price. As you can see on these sneakers, there's 3D effects all over these sneakers. It's a beautiful sight, if you ask me. Nice, clean, white. Even on the tongue of the shoe, got blue and red laces. Well, not laces, but the thing on the laces. I forgot what it's called. I have to look at that Phineas and Ferb episode. Look at that tongue. Nike Air. I love this effect. Like this glitch effect, kind of 3D effect. It's just so eye-catching. Make my thumbnail. Nice. So the size I got was a 6 youth. Usually I'm a 6.5 in youth, but these fit perfectly. As you can see, my toes have enough room to wiggle. Now, the on-foot review. They feel good. As you know, Air Force Ones are comfortable. And they just look amazing. Tell me what you think in the comments. Would you buy these over any other Air Force Ones? Would you rather get these instead of the all-white ones? Or would you just go for the all-white ones? Because that was my decision to make. Do I want the all-white ones or do I want this to be a little different in a sneaker game? You know what I'm saying? So let me know. Enjoy the rest of the video.